What is smart contracts? Smart contracts are contracts that are smart. This is what I mean. According to the Oxford Dictionary, a contract is a legal agreement between two or more parties specifying the action to be taken and the payment to be made by each party. The problem with this is that the parties involved in the agreement can default. They may choose not to hold onto their own end of the contract, thus requiring a third party to enforce the contract. The third party can be a lawyer, the police, the bank, the government, and the likes, and they can be expensive. What a smart contract does is that it removes these middlemen. So, a smart contract is a contract that ensures that when certain conditions are met, things happen automatically, and as such, there is no need for a middleman to follow up the conditions. Smart contracts are made possible because of the blockchain. Smart contracts enabled blockchain like Ethereum. You know what? Let me give you an example. Let's say there's a boxing match between Francis Ngannou and Deontay Wilder, or Jake Paul and Mike Tyson. That will actually be an interesting match. Who do you think will win this match? You know what? Tell me your winner in the comment section. Let's stick with Francis Ngannou and Deontay Wilder. Say I and my friend Ben decide to bet $1,000 each against each other in this match. My support is for Ngannou and his support is for Wilder. There are three possible ways this can go. 1. We agree the winner pays the loser, but I might default if I lose, and he might also default if he loses. The second option is that we employ the service of Mike as the middleman. We both give him our $1,000 and he is to pay the winner the total sum. We will, however, have to pay Mike a percentage of the money, maybe 10% for his service. But Mike can also choose to default and scale with our money. The third option is that we use smart contracts. We write a contract and deploy it on Ethereum. Then send our $1,000 each to the contract. This contract will execute automatically when the conditions are met. If Ngannou wins, it will send $2,000 to my wallet. If Wilder wins, it will send $2,000 to Ben's wallet. And if the match is a tie, it will return our initial $1,000 to each of our wallets. We don't need to trust the smart contract because it works whether we trust it or not according to how it was programmed. You may ask, what makes smart contracts so unique and why should we accept that they will work and not be tampered with? If you watched my previous video on what is blockchain, this question will have been answered. Because smart contracts are built on the blockchain, they are immutable. Immutable means they cannot be changed. Once a contract is deployed on the blockchain, it becomes fixed and permanent, and no one, not even the creator, can change it. This ensures that no one can change the agreement on their own and manipulate it. However, it also becomes a risk because if there are any mistakes in the contract smart code, they stay that way and cannot be changed forever, which can be exploited by hackers. Another limitation of smart contract is that not all contracts can be digitized and put on the blockchain. The boxing example I gave earlier is possible because of oracles. Oracles like Chainlink take real-world data and feed it to the blockchain. This is a video for another day. Smart contracts have a wide variety of application, and the more things are digitized, the more application there are. The most notable application of smart contracts is the creation of decentralized applications called dApps. dApps are applications on the blockchain that are not controlled by any one person or organization. Smart contracts were first deployed on Ethereum blockchain and have been used to create many decentralized applications, including Uniswap, the YDX, Aave, and lots more. I hope this video answers the question, what is smart contract? If you want to learn more about the blockchain and its opportunities, consider joining my group using the link in the description. And of course, subscribe and like this video. I'm also hosting a 30 days BYBIT trading challenge. So for 30 days, I'm posting trade signals and holding live session almost every day. To join, create a BYBIT account using the link in the description, after which you join my community also using the link in the description. I'll see you there and in the next video.